What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl? So in today's video, we are collaborating with none the other ISEE Hair collection. They did go ahead and send me this 26-inch Burmese curly wig, and baby, you see it. This literally looks like my real hair. I love big curly hair. Like ISEE, they are known for their half wigs and their curly wigs, in my opinion. Like, this is literally just so tea. Look at the coils on the end. I didn't even want to like define the curls too much because it already came defined for me. So if you are interested in seeing how we install this 9x6 closure wig that looks so real and it's so easy, I mean, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-everything, okay? This wig is done for you. If you want to see how we achieve this beautiful yet simple look, this is the video for you, so keep watching. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this install. I was so hyped because ISEE is that girl. So this is their construction of their cap. When I tell you, their wigs do not slip and slide. They gave us accessories as well, which I love that because they look out for the girls. So just in case like your combs come out or you pop or lose your elastic band, they give you extras, which is so kind of them. So once I grabbed this unit out the packaging, I checked it and we have the 26-inch Burmese curly unit. Look at the coils on this hair. Like, this is how you know it's high quality curly Burmese curls. Like, just so freaking tea. So this is a 9x6 closure wig, and as you guys can see, it comes pre-parted, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Okay, so this is the construction of the wig. Like I said, it's 9x6, and we have this secure elastic band, and I love a wig with that additional drawstring. It really helps the wig stay snug to your head. So I'm just grabbing the drawstring. We're gonna pull it nice and tight so when we throw this wig on, she could be nice and snug. Now, I know I look a little crazy, but I see the vision already. I can tell this is about to be such the easiest install ever. They also have these little side baby combs that help with the wig just staying on top of your head how you want it to. This is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. It is so gorgeous. Like, if you are a wig girly, you know that this is a wig that is going to be tea. Now, look at this lace. It is so thin. It's plucked, it's bleached. It is literally just ready to go. I'm just going to add a little bit of makeup to the lace because the lace was looking just a little bit white, so we're just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace. I like to use a foundation shade that's a little darker than me, but look how thin this lace is. You could wear the wig glueless, but for me, I like to add just a little bit of spray. It's still glueless, like I'm not going in with 3-4 layers of glue. We're just adding spray just so we don't have to deal with any slipping, sliding, and we just feel more secure. But with the construction of the wig, you really won't have to deal with slipping and sliding. Look how this wig is just blending into my skin, girl. This wig is just so tea. Like, I'm adding a little bit more spray for some extra reinforcement. I live in South Florida. It be hot one day, cold one day. It just be all over the place. So we're gonna make sure this wig is blended into my skin. You cannot tell me it looks like I have a wig on right now. Like, this genuinely looks like my real hair, and that's what I like the most about this unit. Now, out of the package, the wig is beautiful, yes, but we're gonna go ahead and customize it just a tiny bit by taking our wax stick, putting it at the roots of the hair, and then we're gonna take our hot comb at 450 degrees, and we are just gonna take our time and flatten the top of this head. Make sure you take your time hot combing your wigs because when you flatten it, it just makes the wigs look even more realistic. Obviously, you want a good quality lace. ISEE is definitely a high quality company, but make sure you flatten it. Look at the difference. Like, can you just see how it looks less wiggy? So after I flattened it, this is what it looks like. I left the hair poofy because I wanted just to show you guys how easy it is to wear these wear and go wigs. Throw it on your head and literally just leave the house. You don't have to do anything anymore. There's no excuse as to why we are not looking put together. In 2026, everything is already done for you. The curls are freaking beautiful. I've been wearing this hair ever since I got this unit, and I've been getting so much compliments. People genuinely think this is my real hair, and that's what I like to see. So baby, let me give you my thoughts. This wig is a 10 out of 10, okay? Period. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's install. I wanted to show you guys the ISEE Hair Company wig. This is their Burmese Curly. So if you are looking for a bomb Burmese Curly closure wig that's pretty high quality and easy to install, ISEE is your girl. All the information is going to be linked down below in the description box. I'm talking discount codes, the the exact link, okay? I hate when you are looking for a wig and you find a video, you like it, and then you're scrolling through trying to make sure this is the same wig she had on. So everything's gonna be done for you down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this install was just so easy, so simple. Girl, I'm about to go to Bonefish Grill. This is a side note, but baby, Bonefish Grill has literally $5 drinks on Mondays. I'm in South Florida, so I don't know if that's everywhere, but they have $5 martinis, and now my hair is ready. Like, I look so tea. I'm about to go throw a dress on and go get my little $5 martini with a little firecracker. No, with a bang bang shrimp. That's what I'm about to go get, girl. Yes, yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to ISEE for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.